Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching me, my name is Tracy and I just got onto Kylie Cosmetics PR, so I received my very first package, and this here is going to be the Kylie Cosmetics Kris Jenner collection. I opened up my box. I was really not expecting it. It was a huge box. It didn't say Kylie on the actual box, but when I opened it and seen these two icons, I was like, look mama, I made it. But yeah, this collection launched on the 14th, so I am a little bit late to reviewing this collection. I'm going to show you guys everything that came inside of the box, but before I do so, I do want to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button down below that says subscribe. It's free to do so. It supports me and my kids in the process, and I just genuinely appreciate you guys showing up for me today. So let's go ahead and get started with today's unboxing slash review slash tutorial slash everything.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm gonna try my absolute best to get everything in frame, but this is a really big PR package. Here is the Kris by Kylie Cosmetics box. This is what it looks like. It's freaking massive. Okay, this is just the front of it. Okay, so here is the box, and it has a top layer, which I'm going to remove right now and show you guys the collection. In this PR package, we have the under eye patches, which is why I'm not wearing makeup. We're going to try them on together. And then we have the lip crayon set. We have an eyeshadow palette. We also have the lip serum, and I have the powder, blush, and highlighter duos. When I took off this top part from the box, underneath we have a mix drinker, a shot glass measurer. I don't know what those are, but they're like used to mix the drinks, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I do drink. I just like having my drinks made for me. I don't make them myself, but I guess we're gonna try. I like the little shaker because it says "Don't F with me," so don't. Okay. If you don't like me, I still appreciate you watching my video. Love you, bitch. I always start off with usually having my complexion already done and having something on my lips. So we don't have either one of those. We're going to be playing around with the lip serum. I want to show you guys the packaging of this because if you guys are going to be buying it, this is what you should be expecting. This is the Kylie Cosmetics lip serum, and it's called Make It Dirty. What the hell? Did you guys just see all that? It flew up. It just flew up. I opened it. What the hell? Okay, let me show you guys. I'm going to show you. Watch. I'm going to pull it out right now. Watch. Did you guys just see that? It's shooting up. This doesn't really have a scent or anything like that. It's just a moisturizing serum. Now, if you decide to get the eye patches, this is what the packaging looks like. I love it. Her little earrings and the sunglasses. I just love the packaging of this. Okay, let's get this opened up. It has the little olives on the inside. So you receive 6 eye patches. We're going to use 1 right now. I definitely need them right now. So here they are. I'm going to get this opened up. So when you take out the eye patches from the little pouch, this is what it looks like. You go ahead and remove one of the little strips and then grab the eye patch. Ooh, feels nice and cooling under the eye. If you decide to get the eyeshadow palette, this is what it looks like. Now, I want to say that the packaging looks ginormous. And the eyeshadow palette is actually pretty small. It's just this right here. That's the eyeshadow palette. But to give you the whole look of it looking like a cute little martini glass, they went extra with the packaging. So this here is the Kris eyeshadow palette. In little tiny olives, you will see the eyeshadow palette names over here. But let me get this opened up so you can get a good feel for the palette. This is how you're going to be getting it opened up. And this is the little martini glass. It's so cute. I think I'm going to keep this for decoration purposes in my background. But you pull this part up and it should pop out the eyeshadow palette. So take it out of there And here she is. Again, the eyeshadow palette names are on the back, little olives. Let me open this palette up. And as you can see, it has a little mirror right in here. These are all of the eyeshadows. I think these are great tones for going into the fall. They're also great for every day. The shape of these, they're interesting. They're supposed to be little olives as well. They are just very tiny little eyeshadows. Like they're small. This is a small little area for eyeshadows, but interesting. I love the concept of this because I love a cute little drink on one hand, you know? Who doesn't? No judging if you don't. You guys can see in my intro that I do like having my mommy juice every now and then. So right here, you're looking at 12 eyeshadow colors, and I'm showing you guys all the swatches of each and every single color so you guys can get a good feel for what you guys can do with this palette. I definitely love the color scheme of this, and I am excited to use it today. You have eyeshadow names in here like Nova Mouth, Cocktail O'Clock, Shaken Not Stirred, Can You Hold, Walkie Talkie, Hey Matte, Dirty Martini, Two Olives, Car Jenner, Drunky Monkey, Proud Mama, One Word, Vodka. I have to be honest, I am not a vodka girl. I love my tequila. That's the Latina in me. I just have to have tequila. Now let's take a look at the lip crayon set. Here is the packaging. Honestly, it looks like a little pack of cigarettes. Alrighty, so here we have the Kylie Cosmetics lip crayon, and this one is in the color Don't F With Me. There's a swatch of that one right there. This next one is called Classic Kris. So Classic Kris is at the top, and then we have Don't F With Me at the bottom. Okay, so now let's take a look at the last item inside of this collection. We have the blush and highlighter cheek duo. Kris Jenner looks like a total freaking babe in the front. That's goals right there. So here is the palette, the little cheek palette, and the names are on the back. It also has a mirror. It just has this little thing that I should be removing right now. It comes with a golden highlighter and a blush. I hope this works out for my skin tone. I definitely am excited to have a golden highlighter because it just works perfect with my medium skin tone. I always tend to go for gold highlighters. You guys can check my last video. I was talking about that as well, where I'm using a drugstore golden highlighter. So if you're into highlighters, definitely check that video out. Now, I have opened up and shared with you guys the entire collection. It's time to play with it, but I don't want to throw you guys off because I'm just going to go ahead and do my complexion off of camera and then come back so that we can do, like, use all these products together. So, I'll be right back. Definitely going to transform, okay? You guys ready? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. 1, 2, and we're back. So here we are after I have done my complexion. I just have to apply some primer. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Primer. This is my absolute favorite eye primer, and I use the shade number 2. I do have to shake this up because it could be a little bit on the watery side, but I really like the consistency of this once you shake it up, of course. So the way I like to apply this is to the back of my hand, like that, and then I do go in with my beauty sponge, apply it with it, and I'm just gonna go right there and right there. Let's do the color Olive Tones. Oh shit, Olive Tones is right there. I want you guys to see how small it is, like with the eyeshadow brush in there. It's so tiny, so maybe go in there sideways. Okay, so I'm gonna be placing this to the outer corner of the eye. I'm also placing it right in this inner corner of the eye. We're going to be doing a halo eye. I haven't done it in a while, and I'm feeling really inspired by this color itself. I'm loving the pigment of it and how well it's blending out. I think that it's going to look really beautiful with what I'm getting in mind with this look today. So just blend out the outer edges as best as possible because we are going to be placing a deeper color in the inner and outer corner of this look. I'm going to grab this color called Can You Hold, and I'm placing it to this outer corner of the eye right here. Making sure everything is blended. We will have to go back in with that previous olive color. But we're going to place it in this inner corner as well. Make sure we're blending out the edges as best as possible. I'm going back into 2 olives, which is the first shade that we used. And since we did lose some of that color, we're going to go back in there and build on it. Now I'm picking up this color called Shaken Not Stirred. And for this, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetic Tapered All Over Shadow Brush number 27. I do have to spray this brush down because it is shimmer and I don't want it to get all over my face since I already do have my complexion makeup on. I'm going to go ahead and do a little packing motion on the center of the eyelid like so. And I'm just applying it to the center of the eye like that, taking the fluffy blending brush that I used to apply that pink mauve shade. I'm kind of like blending out that area. I'm going to take my finger and oh my god. Oh, I have so much fallout. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it right now? How much fallout I'm experiencing? This is not good. Okay, definitely spray your brush a lot more than I did because I experienced a lot of fallout. I don't know, but I think that looks really freaking pretty. Once again, I'm going to go into the olive this color right here. I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to apply it to the inner and outer corner. And I told you guys I was going to be deepening up this look. I am forgetting English today. I certainly am. I want to put a darker color at the inner and outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to take the color Walkie Talkie, which is this purplish shade right here. And I know I'm playing with some funky colors, but you know what? I trust the process and I trust my vision always. I'm going to apply it to the lash line before blending up. Actually, this color is not as dark as I anticipated. So again, I just applied it to the lash line and slowly blended upwards until it just all meshed together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that Walkie Talkie eyeshadow color, which is this one right here, and I'm putting it at the lower lash line. And that is basically it. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I don't know if I want to do lashes today. We'll see. I decided I wanted to apply some of my eyelashes. If you guys want to shop my lashes, they are always linked down below in the description box. I have my own little shop that you guys can shop from or follow my business account over on Instagram. It's also linked down below. My little eyelash applicators are also available on my website. But with that being said, let's go ahead and try the blush and highlighter palette from Kylie. Money doesn't grow on trees, or it's 5 o'clock somewhere. See, I don't know, because this one right here, I would assume is this one, right? And this one is that one. So the blush is called It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere. I think. Okay. Whatever it's called. We're going to go in there. Ooh, that actually looks really pretty on my skin tone. It looked really light inside of the eyeshadow palette. And Mama loves a good blush. So maybe I did go in with a little bit too much, but you guys get an idea of what this looks like, especially on somebody with a medium skin tone. I'm gonna go over with my beauty sponge. Perfect. Now, I will always mention it to you guys. I don't really like using highlighters on me, but we are gonna be using it to review today's little palette. So we're gonna go in here. It's just like it emphasizes my texture in my skin. Like my crow's feet start to like show when I'm smiling a lot, and I tend to smile a lot, especially because I have a new boo in my life, you know? It's so true. Like every time I hang out with this guy that I'm dating, like I am smile ear to ear, and like the crow's feet is so bad. Like when I get home, I'm like, oh my God, I am literally getting so old. Just kidding. Aging is beautiful. Let's not take away from that. And as you guys have noticed, some of my makeup looks have started to get like a little bit more on the subtle side. I used to go above and beyond with my eye looks, doing amazing freaking cut creases, playing with really vivid colors, which I still like to do, but it's definitely toning down as I'm getting older. I just prefer minimal makeup. And also, you guys seen that this eye look really didn't take very long. I could have done it. I did this eye super fast after I did the little tutorial for this look. But anyway, I just think that highlighters really emphasize my texture, so I try not to, but you guys can see how beautiful it looks. I'm taking it to under the eyebrow bone as well, really connecting everything, and then I'm going to go in with my sponge. I want you guys to look at it, how it applied to my skin right after I use my brush, but I do prefer more of a natural highlighted look. So I'm going to take my sponge and really push it into my skin like that, just to soften that up. Let's go on the nose as well, just a little bit. For the last products of this review, we're going to be using the lip crayons. I'm not too sure which one I want to do. Pink or nude? I think I'm going to do pink. Let's do pink, because that's like something that not a lot of people reach for. Like, I feel like it might be a little intimidating, but why not? So since this is a lip crayon, I am able to trace my lips with it. Okay, I do want to say that I definitely understand why they included a lip serum with this, because the formula of the lipstick really emphasized your lip texture, and right now my lips are like kind of cracking and stuff, so I will continue to use the lip serum, so hopefully I have soft lips for this to apply on smoothly. The formula feels more of a matte finish. Definitely kind of like transfer proof a little bit. And I really like the color. Alright, so you guys let me know down below what you guys think about today's look. Are you guys going to be picking up anything from this collection? Let me know down below in the comments what you guys are most intrigued by. I really, really like this collection. I can't say I have a favorite because I really did enjoy everything. The applicator for the serum, though, it was a little bit strange. I've never experienced anything like it. Like, the lip gloss was shooting up into the air. Gravity is working on me. I'm in a playful mood today because I have had my cup of coffee. I'm still drinking it. Trying to be slow with it. But anyway, again, let me know what you guys are excited to try. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you leave. Your support means so much to me because, you know, I am a single mama, and you guys showing up for me, watching my videos supports me and my kids. So I'm just beyond grateful for your time that you have taken out of your day to sit down and watch my review. If you guys are interested in shopping anything from the collection, I'm going to go ahead and have the link down below for you guys to shop directly through the link, which also generates income for me and my kids. So thank you again for being here, and I will see you hopefully in my next video. Bye, guys. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.